Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you two ways to change administrator name on Windows 10. If the administrator account you want to change is linked to a Microsoft account, follow next steps. Step 1. Tap the Windows icon. Step 2. Select Settings. Step 3. Click on Accounts. Step 4. Click on Manage My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account webpage. Step 5. Click on Sign In. Sign in with your administrator Microsoft account email and password. Step 6. Once you are logged in, click on your account name in the upper left corner. Step 7. Click Edit Name under your current account name. Step 8. Enter the new first and last name that you want. Then enter the CAPTCHA code and click Save. Once you complete the steps, restart your computer for the changes to go into effect. If you want to change an administrator name that is not linked to a Microsoft account, you can follow next steps. Step 1. Type Control Panel into the Windows search bar. You will find this by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Then click Open. Step 2. Click on Change Account Type under Use Accounts. Step 3. Select a user account you would like to rename. Step 4. Click on Change the account name. Step 5. Type the new user account name in the box. Step 6. Finally, click on Change Name. Your changes will appear when you go back to the previous screen. In the Start menu you can see that we have successfully renamed the Windows user account. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for even more similar tips. Thank you for watching.
Tech Spider.